Today, I'm going to teach you how to copy your Blogger profile link. This is really useful when you want to share your profile with others or add it to your social media bio. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to blogger.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signing in with the correct Google account that's associated with your Blogger profile. After you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the Blogger dashboard. Now take a look at the left side of your screen where you'll see various menu options. Click on Settings. This is where you can manage all the important configurations for your blog and profile. Once you're in the Settings section, you'll need to scroll down towards the bottom of the page. Keep scrolling until you locate the section labeled General. This area contains basic information and settings related to your overall Blogger account and profile visibility. Within the General section, look for an option that says View Profile. Click on this option and it will redirect you to your public Blogger profile page. This is the page that other people see when they want to learn more about you as a blogger or check out your published content. Now that you're on your profile page, simply look up at the address bar of your browser. This URL is your unique Blogger profile link. Go ahead and click on the address bar to highlight the entire URL, then right-click and select Copy, or you can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac. This link can now be pasted anywhere you need it, whether that's in an email, on your social media profiles, or in your website's bio section. And that's it. You've successfully copied your Blogger profile link. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.